In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple WhatsApp numbers in a single sub-account. We'll be doing this inside Go High Level, and the process is quite straightforward once you know where everything is. The key idea is that you'll connect each WhatsApp number one at a time, then make sure they're all assigned to the same sub-account, so everything stays organized in one place. To begin, go to Go High Level and open the sub-account where you want to use multiple WhatsApp numbers. Once you're inside that sub-account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for that workspace. From the left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage the configuration for that specific sub-account. If you're ever unsure whether you're in the right place, just make sure you're editing the correct sub-account before you continue, since these changes should be applied in the account where you want the numbers to live. After that, still on the left-hand side within Settings, click on WhatsApp. This opens the WhatsApp setup section where you can connect and manage your numbers. Next, click the option to connect your WhatsApp. This starts the setup flow. You should see a prompt that guides you into the connection process. Go ahead and click Next to move forward. Now comes the most important part. To use multiple WhatsApp numbers in the same sub-account, you need to connect the numbers individually. Click Add Number or Connect, depending on what your screen shows, and complete the official WhatsApp onboarding or API registration process for your first number. Take your time here and follow the on-screen instructions carefully, because each number has to be verified and connected properly before moving on. Once the first number is successfully connected, repeat that same exact process for every additional number you want to add. In other words, you are not connecting them all at once. You'll add one number, finish the setup, then return and do it again for the next number. This helps keep the setup clean and reduces the chance of missing a required step. After all of your numbers have been connected, make sure each newly connected number is mapped to the same sub-account. This is what allows multiple numbers to exist under that single sub-account setup. Finally, save your configuration so your changes are applied, and that's it. Once saved, your sub-account should be set up to use multiple WhatsApp numbers.